Genesis chapter 32. Jacob was on his way back home after many years. He remembered the past, how he had tricked his brother Esau out of his blessing, and now he feared Esau's anger. As he journeyed, God gave him encouragement by showing him angels on the road. Seeing them, Jacob knew God's hand was with him. So he named that place Mahanaim, which means two camps, because he saw both his camp and God's camp together. Still, Jacob was anxious. He sent messengers ahead to Esau, calling him my lord, and himself your servant, hoping to soften Esau's heart. But when the messengers returned, they said, Esau is coming to meet you with 400 men. Jacob's heart sank. He was terrified. Thinking quickly, Jacob divided his people, flocks, and herds into two groups. He thought if Esau attacked one, the other might escape. Then, in desperation, Jacob prayed, O God of my father Abraham and my father Isaac, you told me to return, and you promised to be good to me. I am unworthy of all your kindness, but please save me from Esau. After praying, Jacob prepared a large gift for his brother. Hundreds of goats, sheep, camels, cows, and donkeys. He sent them ahead with his servants in groups, one after another, hoping each wave of gifts would calm Esau's anger. That night, Jacob helped his wives, children, and servants cross the river Jabbok. Then he stayed behind alone. Suddenly, a man appeared and began wrestling with him. They wrestled all night until dawn. When the man saw Jacob would not give up, he touched Jacob's hip and dislocated it. But still, Jacob held on tightly and said, I will not let you go until you bless me. The man asked his name. Jacob, he answered. The man said, Your name will no longer be Jacob, but Israel, because you have struggled with God and with men, and you have prevailed. Then he blessed Jacob there. Jacob named the place Peniel, meaning face of God, because he said, I have seen God face to face, and yet my life was spared. As the sun rose, Jacob limped away, a changed man. He said he had faced his fears, met God in struggle, and received a new name that marked his destiny.